real numbers. So for range, you simplify 1 by x plus 2, that implies x plus 2 equal to 1 by y. You can write implies x equal to 1 by y minus 2, which is equal to 1 minus 2y by y, implies x equal to 1 minus 2y by. Okay. Here, in case of range, denominator only y present. So if we will put 0, if y equal to 0, then function doesn't exist. If y equal to 0, if we will put here 0, so something 1 minus 2 into 0 by 0. So 1 by 0 doesn't exist. So range equal to r minus 0. Okay. Question number 2. Find domain. Only domain. Find domain y equal to 2x minus 3 by x square minus 3x plus 2. Find only domain. So here similarly you take let denominator equal to 0. Then you will get the values, x values, critical points. Right. Let x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. That implies here multiplication 2x square and addition minus 3x. So by middle term x square minus x minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. That implies x minus 1 minus 2 x minus 1 equal to 0, implies x minus 1 x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 1 x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 and 2, that implies x equal to 1 2. These are the critical points. If we will put 1 2 in x place, denominator also numerator. Numerator 2 minus 3 minus 1. But denominator if you put 1, then it will be 0. Okay. 1 minus 3 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 0. Similarly, if you put 2, 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2 0 denominator 0. So if you put x equal to 1 2, then function doesn't exist. So domain equal to, right, therefore domain equal to r minus 1 comma 2 is the domain. You subtract 1 2 from real numbers. Okay. Any doubt? Hello.
Okay.
Number 3 question. Question number 3. X square f of x equal to y equal f of x function. So you can write also f of x. F of x equal to x square plus 3x plus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 4. X square minus 5x plus 4. Find only domain. Find domain. Do now this question. Do now. Find domain.
Sir, x square minus 5x plus 4.
X square minus 5x plus 4.
Sir, done.
Done. The
Yes,
answer
sir.
is
So the answer is r minus 1 comma 4.
right. Good. Similarly, you take here denominator equal to 0. Then you will get x equal to 1 4. Denominator x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. That implies x square minus x minus 4x plus 4 equal 0. That implies x minus 1 minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. That implies x minus 1 x minus 4 equal 0 implies x equal to 1 comma 4. So domain equal to you subtract 1 4 from real numbers. So r minus 1 4. This is the domain. Okay. Similarly to f of x equal to 1 by 116 root over. Find domain. Find domain. Do now.
Sir, sir, domain is equal to r minus curly bracket 1.
Here root over present. So restrictions are available. 1 minus x only greater than 0. Don't write greater than equal to. Okay. As a 1 minus x is in denominator. So you write 1 minus x greater than 0. That implies x less than 1. Here 1 minus x greater than 0. Okay. You will add here greater than equal to, then denominator will be 0. Function does not exist. Okay. So 1 minus x only greater than 0. That implies x minus 1 less than 0 implies x less than 1 implies x belongs to minus infinite to 1. Okay. So this is the domain minus infinite to 1. Minus infinite to 1 is the domain. Okay. Similarly to number 5, find domain if f of x equal to sum of the two functions 4 minus x root over plus 1 by x square minus 1 root over Okay. So here individually you find first term domain 4 minus x domain, then find 1 by x square minus 1 root over domain. Okay. Then combine it. Do now. Done.
No, sir, doing.
Okay.
Sir, could you please solve it?
Sir, completed.
Domain
Sir, domain is equal to minus 2 to 4.
minus 2 to 4. Here first term 4 minus x root over 4 minus x greater than or equal to 0. Okay. As root over present. And second term 1 by root over of x square minus 1. Root over of x square minus 1 denominator available. Okay. Second term. So x square minus 1 only greater than 0. Don't write greater than equal to. Only greater than 0. Okay. So here 4 minus x greater than equal to 0. So write both multiply both sides negative sign. X minus 4 less than equal to 0. And x square minus 1 greater than 0. Apply the formula x square minus b square. So write x minus 1, x plus 1 greater than 0. Okay. And here x less than or equal to 4 and x minus 1, x plus 1 greater than 0. That implies x less than 4 and in case of greater than 0, you write x less than minus 1 or x greater than 1. In case of greater than 0, okay, x minus 1, x plus 1 greater than 0, we have to write x less than minus 1 or x greater than 1. Okay, x minus 1, x plus 1 less than 0, then x greater than minus 1 less than 1. Okay, for greater than 0, you write and remember x less than minus 1 or x greater than 1. Okay, this is very very important. So here x less than or equal to 4 and x less than minus 1 or x greater than 1. So its union is x belongs to minus infinite to minus 1, union 1 to 4, 4 include. Here x less than or equal to 4, so 4 include. So its union is minus infinite to minus 1, union 1 to 4. Okay, x here x greater than 1 and x less than or equal to 4, so 1 to 4. Okay, and here x less than minus 1, a less than minus 1, so minus infinite to minus 1. So domain equal to minus infinite to minus 1, union 1 to 4, 4 include. This is an important question for your exam. Okay, next write find domain number 6. Find domain and range 1 by x minus 5 root over second bit x by 1 plus x square. Do now. Do now. Both domain and range find.
Sir, can you read out the question?
1 by root over of x minus 5. Second question x by 1 plus x square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done. So first come to question domain.
Sir, domain is equal to 5 to infinite.
5 to infinite, right? And range
Sir, range is equal to r minus 0.
r minus.
R minus 0.
Simplify the equation. Your domain, first question domain, x minus 5 greater than 0, s greater than 5. So domain 5 to infinite. Range, simplify the equation, this is y. So y equal to 1 by x minus 5 root over, that implies squaring both sides, 1 by x minus 5 implies x minus 5 equal to 1 by y square, implies x equal to 1 by y square plus 5 x equal to 1 plus 5y square by y square. Okay. So y equal to, if we put, and here domain, we have written 5 to infinite. Positive real numbers. Okay. So in range, also we have to apply the domain condition. Here domain is positive real numbers, 5 to infinite, positive, only positive numbers. Okay. And in range, here y not equal to 0. Y not equal to 0. If y equal to 0, then function doesn't exist. So range equal to only positive numbers. Okay. So right, range equal to 0 to infinite. Both open bracket. 0 not include. 0 exclude and infinite exclude. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second question. Ax by 1 plus x square. So domain equal to f of x equal to x by 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square not equal to 0. And here domain equal to 1 plus x square not equal to 0. So here we can put any value from real numbers. If we put 0, also function exists. Function exists. And put minus 1 square, put minus 1, so minus 1 square plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. If we put 1, also 2. So function always exists. So right domain equal to real number. Okay. For range, solve the equation y equal to a square, that implies y 1 plus x square into y equal to x. Okay. That implies x square y minus x plus y equal to 0. Okay. Here, this is a equation. Okay. This is a contradiction. Uh, square y minus x plus okay, plus b plus c equal to 0 equation. So x equal to formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4 is root over by 2a. So here x equal to minus b, b equal to minus 1, x coefficient. So right, minus of minus 1 plus minus b square minus 1 square minus of 4 ac y into y root over. Okay. Divide by 2a, 2y. So which is equal to 1 plus minus 1 minus 4y square root over by 2y. Okay. And here restrictions are available 1 minus 4y square greater than equal to 0. And y not equal to 0. If you put y plus 0, the function doesn't exist. Here x equals something we are getting. Okay. If we put y equal to 0, then it will be 0. Something by 0, it will be infinite. Okay. Does not exist. So here 1 minus 4y square greater than equal to 0 and y not equal to 0. This is the condition. Y not equal to 0. 1 minus 4y square greater than 0 and y not equal to 0. Then simplify. 1 minus 4y square, 1 minus 4y square, y square greater than or equal to 0 and y not equal to 0. So that implies 4y square minus 1 less than or 0. Multiply both sides, negative side, and y not equal to 0. That implies y square minus 1 by 4. Divide 4 less than or equal to 0 and y not equal to 0. Implies applying a square minus b square formula, y minus 1 by 2, y plus 1 by 2 less than or 0 and y not equal to 0. Okay. So that implies, so from this equation y greater than or equal to minus half, less than or equal to half, as a less than or equal to symbol present. So you write like this, y greater than or equal to minus half, less than or equal to half, and y not equal to 0. That implies y belongs to minus half to half minus 0. Okay. This is the range. So range equal to, so here in domain we have written domain real numbers. Okay. Here domain real numbers, all real numbers. So range equal to, right? So range, if we put 0, then function doesn't exist. In case it will put 0. Okay. So range equal to minus half to half. Okay. Right, minus half to half range. So
Video
and
is
here
not.
we write
So your video is not clear.
not visible.
No, sir.
Also y equal to 0 for x equal to 0. So we write only minus half half. If we put y equal to 0 for x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So write minus half to half. This is the range. Next question. Question number 7.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, your camera is not visible properly.
Not visible.
Sir, it is becoming hazy.
Already.
No, sir.
Right, question number 7. Let F equal to x
Sir,
comma
it's not visible.
is it visible? This
No,
question
sir.
F equal to x.
Sir, it is very.
No. Visible. F equal to x comma x square by 1 plus x square. X belongs to R. Be a function from R into R. Determine range of y. Find range. Find range. Now visible. Hello.
No, sir.
No. Here domain equal to real number. Y equal to x square by 1 plus x square and domain equal to real number. No restriction. Denominator 1 plus x square not equal to 0. So if you will put x plus 0 or minus 1 plus 1, then it will not be 0. So denominator, numerator, we can take any value from real numbers. Okay? So domain equal to real number. For range, for range, solve the equation y equal to x square by 1 plus x square implies y into 1 plus x square equal to x square implies x equal to here y plus y x square equal to x square implies
Sir, it
x
is not
square.
visible.
What is the problem? Visible? Is it visible?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen. I share the notes. So x square 1 minus y x square equal to x square, y plus y x square equal to x square. So write x square 1 minus y equal to y. So that implies x square equal to y by 1 minus y. So that implies x equal to plus minus y by 1 minus y put over here clearly y by 1 minus y greater than or 0. Here 1 by 1 minus y greater than or 0. Okay. And we can write y minus 0. So you multiply negative sign both sides. So y minus 0, we can write y minus 1 less than 0. Or very simple, y by 1 minus 1 less than equal to 0. So it is possible y greater than equal to 0 and less than 1. It is possible. Less than equal to 0. We will put negative sign. Suppose minus 5, minus 5. We will put minus 5 here, then minus 5, and here denominator minus 5, minus 1, minus 6. So negative cancel. It will be positive. So we will put 0. 0 by 0 minus 1, then negative less than 0. So you count from 0, starting from 0. Okay, and 0 include. And if you will put 1, then function does not exist. 1 minus 1, 0, denominator will be 0. Okay, so only less than 1. So y greater than or equal to 0, less than 1. That implies y belongs to 0 to 1. 0 include, 1 exclude. So range equal to 0 to 1. This is the answer. Range equal to 0 to 1.
Sir, can you explain again?
Here, for range case, we have to write x equal to something. Okay. Y equal to x square by 1 plus x square. You multiply by cross multiplication. Y into 1 plus x square equal to x square. And you multiply y into 1 y plus y x square equal to x square. We are getting x equal to plus minus root over of 1 by y by 1 minus y. Okay. So root over present. That means y by 1 minus y greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Root over present. So y by 1 minus y greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So multiply negative sign both sides. Y by 1 minus y greater than 0. Multiply negative sign. We'll get y by y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So it is possible. Not for all real numbers. Okay. First, y minus 1 equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So you exclude 1. If you will put negative signs, here less than equal to symbol, less than equal to 0. If you will put negative sign, any negative numbers, minus 1. Suppose we will put y plus minus 1, then minus 1 by minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 by minus 2, minus minus cancel, 1 by 2, it will be positive. Okay, and here the symbol is less than equal to. So you start from 0. If you will put 0, then it will be negative, less than equal to 0. Okay, if you will put 0, 0 by 0 minus 1, 0. If we will put 0.5, then 0.5 by 0.5 minus 1, minus 0.5. So it will be negative. Numerator positive, denominator negative, it will be negative, less than or 0. So it is satisfying. So y from 0 to 1. Okay, 0 include, 1 exclude. This is the range. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Similarly, function, we can add function and subtract function, multiplication, division possible. Okay. Suppose fx equal to x and gx equal to x square plus x plus 2, 2 sin x. Okay. Then fx plus gx equal to addition is simple as like x square plus x plus 2 sin x plus this is gx. Okay. Plus fxx. So x square plus 2x plus 2 sin x, right? Okay. It's addition. Similarly, it's a subtraction. We can write simple f minus g also. Okay. F minus g means fx function and gx function. equal to x minus x square plus x plus 2 sin x minus x square minus x minus 2 sin x cancel equal to minus x square minus 2 sin x. You can write. Okay. Similarly, f into g also you can multiply x into x square plus x plus 2 sin x equal to x cube plus x square plus 2x sin x. Similarly, in case of division, f by g, x by x square plus x plus 2 sin x you can write. Okay. Two functions you can add, subtract and multiply, also you can divide. Okay. The time is over. Next class we'll discuss. So much for today.
So
Thank
for
you.
our maths book, do we have to buy that volume 1 and 2 together for IST in mathematics, R.D. Sharma?
Both. Volume 1 and 2.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Combo book. Volume 1 and 2 with a MCQ. Okay.
Sir, for
Thank you.
IST,
Yes,
the
sir.
MCQ is not available. Sir, only volume 1 and 2 is available. Sir, for NCERT, MCQ is available.
You not available. Oh, okay. You purchase MC, ISC volume 1 and 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Please wait 1 minute. Can you see my copy clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us discuss one more question on molarity. What's the class number?
Sir, 10.
Okay. What is the molarity of a solution prepared by adding 200 milliliter of water to 1.3 liters of 0.2 m HCl? Okay. Can you see the question clearly? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 13 liters or 1.3 liters?
1.3 liter, 0.2 m HCl.
Sir, can you repeat the question? It is not visible.
What is the molarity of a solution prepared by adding 200 milliliter of water to 1.3 liter of 0.2 m HCl? Could you write the question better?
Yes, sir.
Sir, done.
Hmm.
Sir,
Is
done.
my whiteboard visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Those who are done, please raise your hand. Simeon, Sohad, and Dibyasa. So there is some problem. Okay. Simeon, can you please explain how to solve this?
Sir, first we have to find out the number of moles of HCl by using the formula MV, where M is the molarity of the solution of HCl and V is the volume. So it's coming 0.26 moles. And then sir, molarity
First,
of the
you found out
solution.
the number of moles of HCl in the initial solution.
Yes, sir.
That is A is equal to M into V. Molarity 0.2, volume 1.3. So how much you got?
0.26 moles.
0.26 moles. Mole of what? HCl.
HCl.
Okay. Then what is the final volume?
Sir, 1.5 liters.
Yeah. So final volume is 1.3 liter plus 0.2 liter. That is 1.5 liter. So final molarity is N by V. That is 0.26 divided by 1.5. How much you got?
0.17.
0.173.
173.
173. Okay, 173. And what is the unit? What is the unit? Mention the unit,
Sir,
please.
moles per liter. Moles per liter.
Mole liter inverse or mole per liter. Okay. Any doubt? Anushka? Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
But, could you write this question? Anushka? Is the question visible to you?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Nanya, any doubt in this question? Are you active? Kaisa? Ansuman?
Sir, can you explain this question again?
Right, this question you have to find out the molarity of the final solutions. Okay, beta? See,
Yes, sir.
can you see my whiteboard?
So, just a minute. Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose you consider a solution in a beaker. Okay. And in this beaker, you have a solution of HCl. Okay. And what is the initial volume? 1.3 liter.
Yes, sir.
And what is the molarity? This is the volume of the solution. And molarity how much?
Sir, polarity was
0.2.
0.2.
Okay. So this is the initial solution. Okay. Then you added water, 1.3 liter pure water. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
So first, in the initial solution, you have to calculate number of moles of HCl. So what is the formula? Molar
N is
into
equal to
volume.
mv.
Yeah, that will give you the number of moles of HCl present in
Yes,
the
sir.
solution. Then you added water. So in the final solution, you have the same number of moles of HCl. Will it change by addition of water later?
Excuse me, sir.
In the initial solution, you had molarity 0.2 m and volume 1.3 liter. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
So now you can calculate number of moles of HCl in this solution.
Yes, sir.
By the formula. Okay. And next point, if you add water to it, 1.3 liter water to it, will the number of moles of HCl change? Or
No,
it
sir,
will
it
remain
will
as
remain
it
the
is?
same.
Yeah. So for finding final molarity, you can use that same number of moles of HCl. That is, you got 0.2 into 1.3. That is 0.26 mole. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Now for final molarity, you have to find out N by V. So here N is the number of moles of HCl. That is 0.26 at the present, you know. But the volume has changed. See,
Yes, sir.
see.
So volume was
What is the
1.5 liter.
yeah,
So
now it is
1.5 liter.
1.5. So you can get it. The final value of molarity.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Arnav, thank you. Arnav, do you hear me? Arnav, I think some students are sleeping. Okay. Those who are present, actively present, can you raise your hand? Let us see how many like there are 31 in the meeting, except me. And those who are actively present, please raise your hand. Only 12 students have raised 13, 15, 17, 18. Dipanshu, do you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, beta. Could you understand this question number one?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, beta. Rishita,
Yes, sir.
could you understand this?
Yes,
Or any
sir.
doubt? Any doubt, beta?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Siddhi, you have the answer?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Beta. Okay. So one more question. Is my copy visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number two. 200 milliliter of 0.1 m NaOH added to 300 ml of 0.2 NaOH plus 1.5 liter of 0.3 m NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Okay. So you have three solutions added. So find molarity of the final solution. Could you try this
Sir,
again
can
in
you repeat
liquid?
the question?
200 milliliter
Sir,
of
can
zero
you
point 0.1. Yeah. 200 milliliter of 0.1 m sodium hydroxide plus 300 milliliter of 0.2 m sodium hydroxide plus 1.5 liter of 0.3 m sodium hydroxide. In all the cases, your sodium hydroxide volumes are different. First one 200 milliliter, molarity 0.1. Second one 300 milliliter, molarity 0.2. And the last one 1.5 liter, molarity 0.3. Is it clear?
thank you, sir.
Uh,
Sir, done.
Okay, let me try please. In all the cases, you find out number of moles, and the hint is number of moles is equal to molarity into volume. So you have three cases, and you will have three values of number of moles: N1, N2, N3. The final molarity N1 plus N2 plus N3 by V1 plus V2 plus V3. So this is the hint value. I hope all of you can solve this. And someone raise hand. Those who have solved, please raise your hand. And others hand down. So are there?
Yes, sir.
You solve this.
Yes, sir.
Isita,
Yes, sir.
done or trying?
Sir, trying.
Okay. Simeon,
Sir, done, sir.
okay. Anushka,
Sir, done.
very good. Adasi, those who have done, please raise your hand. Others, put your hand down. It is confused. Okay. So all these
Sir,
eight
I
students are
submitted.
Asi, done. Simeon, Asi, Sarmishta, Divyasa, Ritesh, Adasi, Saina, Anushka, Susri. Susri solved, beta?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So what is the answer? Saina, what is your answer? Do you hear me, beta? Perhaps you have raised your hand. C.
Sir, it is 0.265 mole per liter.
Okay, can you please explain the first solution?
So first we find the number of moles by the formula MV in three of the cases. In the first one, we find 0.02 moles. Second one, we find 0.06 moles. And in the third one, we get 0.45 moles. Then we add all the moles and all the volumes and then divide.
Yes, yes. So first we found out for solution 1. So what is N1? Molarity into volume. That is, what is the molarity? 0.1 into volume. What is the volume?
The 200 ml.
That is in liters. 0.2 liter. So you got 0.02 mole. Okay, this is for solution 1. Then solution 2. Number of moles N2, M2 into V2. That is, what is the molarity for solution 2?
The 0.06.
No, molarity 0.2 into volume 0.3. So you got
300 ml.
yeah, and 300 ml 0.3 liter. No, this is 0.06
0.06 moles.
mole. Like this for solution 3 N3 molarity into volume. Again it comes ours. Molarity 0.3, volume 1.5. So you got 0.45. Okay. Could you compare this with the answer? What the final molarity
Yes, sir.
N1 plus N2 plus N3 by volume
By 2 liter. By 2 liter.
2 liter, no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the sum of N1, N2, N3?
That's
You got
0.53. 0.53.
0.53 by
0.5.
2. So what you got?
0.265 mole per liter.
0.65 mole per liter. Always you mention the units. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So write all the steps. Pen it out, please ask. I may repeat the answer again. Aryan, do you hear me, beta? Aryan? Dipankar? Dipankar? Pratichi?
Sir, Dipankar's mic is not working.
Okay. Pratichi not responding. Rishita? Any doubt? So you have 3 solutions. So you have doubt, please ask. Ananya? How did there be between 2 left? Okay. So let us start a new concept. I think we started in the section B. Okay. What is that?
Sir, equivalent mass.
Yeah. Equivalent mass. So all of you note down the definition. Equivalent mass. So you write. Can you see my copy clearly?
Yes, sir.
So let me share the board now. So right. It is the number of parts by mass of an element that combines with or displaces 1.008 parts by mass of hydrogen.
So your notebook is not visible.
Not visible. Okay, let me adjust. Is it coming now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Eight parts by mass
Sir,
of
after displaces, what is written?
1.008 parts by mass of hydrogen, 8 parts by mass of oxygen, 35.5 parts by mass of chlorine, or 108 parts by mass of silver. I should note down the definition and I'll explain.
So what is written after displaces?
Displaces 1.008. Toyota.
Sir, can you read the entire definition once again?
It is the number of parts by mass of an element that combines with or displaces. You can add here, after displaces, you can add one more term, directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly. Okay, all of you add please. Displaces directly or indirectly 1.008 parts by mass of hydrogen, 8 parts by mass of oxygen, 35.5 parts by mass of chlorine, or 808 parts by mass of silver. Is it okay with that?
Thank you, sir.
Is it over? Simeon,
Sir?
is it over or writing?
Sir, done, sir.
Hello, we have finished this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So using this definition, let us understand the meaning of equivalent mass. So write one question on this. Question 1. What is the equivalent mass of calcium in CaO? Okay. Let's note down the question.
Sir, the answer is 28.
28. And we have to calculate the total mass of calcium.
Sir, how to calculate it?
Yeah. First, you calculate the molecular mass. Calcium 40 and oxygen 16. No. Is it 56 or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
in this compound, 16 parts or 16 gram of oxygen combines with 30 grams of calcium. Do you understand? So 1 gram of oxygen combines with 30 by 16 gram of calcium. So 8 gram of calcium, the oxygen combines with 30 by 16 into 8. Or directly you can divide by 2. That gives you 20 gram of calcium. That is, the equivalent mass of calcium in this compound is 20 grams. Do you understand?
Sir, can we directly put the atomic mass of calcium, then divided by its valency?
That is another formula. Beta. This is just for the definition I have given. There are many ways to do it.
Excuse me, sir, why have you taken 8 grams of oxygen?
You see in the definition, 8 parts by mass of oxygen. Mass of the element combines with 8 parts by mass of oxygen. In this compound, 30 parts by mass of calcium combines with 16 parts by mass of oxygen. As per the definition, this is the method. Means in this compound, 16 gram of oxygen combines with 30 grams of calcium. Is it that or not? Hello. If you consider
Yes,
the
sir.
definition,
Yes, sir.
16 grams of oxygen is combining with 30 grams of calcium. So 8 grams of calcium combines, so 8 grams of oxygen combines with 20 grams of calcium. So as per the definition, you got the equivalent mass of calcium. But there is another way. Equivalent mass of an element, if you want to get it directly from the formula, is equal to atomic mass by valence. So atomic mass, calcium 40, valence 2. In this way, you can also get 420. Do you understand this? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tansu?
Yes, sir.
And now we can ask most of them. This part is done as per the definition. Okay. And this is as per the formula, direct formula atomic mass of valency for elements. Equivalent mass of an element you can find out by dividing atomic mass of the element by the valency. Okay. So one more question, similar question, so that you can clarify your doubts. You calculate the equivalent mass of aluminum in aluminum chloride. Okay. All of you calculate using calcium 35.5 parts. Or you can use the definition here, atomic mass of valency. What is the equivalent mass of aluminum? There are two ways. Either you can follow the definition method or the formula I have given here, atomic mass of valency. So what is the atomic mass of aluminum?
27.
37 valency.
27.
What is the valency?
Sir, plus 3.
3.
Okay, so it is coming 9. Okay, got it? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Could
sir.
you understand
Yes,
this?
sir.
Similarly, you calculate E zinc, equivalent mass of zinc. All of you calculate, please.
Sir, 32.5.
32.5.
Yes, sir.
Those who have done this, please raise your hand. Those who have solved this question, equivalent mass of zinc, please raise your hand. Four, five students. Three, Sarmisha, Sohag, Simeon, Dibyasa, Ritesh. Asi, are you trying, beta? Or any problem? Asi raised now.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, okay. Anushka,
Yes, sir.
doing no
Done.
doubt, beta. Done.
Sir,
Raise your hand.
done.
So raise your
Sir, I
hand,
have
please.
raised only.
You
Sir, I have
raised.
raised.
Let me see. Huh? It is not coming. Then it's a problem. Okay. Then Devraj, Distansu.
Yes, sir.
Better any problem, please ask.
No, sir.
Could you calculate the equal mass of zinc? Atomic mass of valence, beta. So what is the atomic mass of zinc? Who can say?
65.38.
Okay, let it be 65. And valency? 2. So it is 32.5. Okay, like this, equal mass of copper. Let it be cubic, accordingly you do. Equal mass of silver. Okay, these two are little please start.
So silver 1 or silver 2 we have to take.
Sir,
Silver
also for
1.
copper, 1 or 2.
Copper, cubic, 2 you take. Here 1, silver 1, copper 2. Yeah. And now Anushka raised hand.
Then for silver what we'll take?
Silver beta 1. And what is the atomic mass of silver? 108. That is 107.9. You take it 108. Rounded to 108. Okay. Sarmishta has done. Sarmishta, have you done copper?
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
Sir, 31.77 gram.
You can take 63.5. So you are correct with that. 31.75. Okay. So silver 108 by 1. That is 108. Have you understood?
Sir, I have taken
Yes, sir.
64 in copper.
Yes, sir. I have also taken 64 as round off.
Okay. Better to take 63.5. In most books, this value is given. Better to take 63.5. Okay, beta? Asi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sada?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you active or not? But you are not raised. Wow. You are not visible here. Have you solved all these four, Sada?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Siddhi?
Yes,
Siddhi,
sir.
beta? Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Dipankar, you are not active today.
Sir, his mic is not working.
Oh, ask him to modify next time. It is now 8:50. You should take rest for the next class. What is your next now?
Sir, physics.
Okay. Let us close now. Tomorrow we'll discuss more about equal mass and some numericals like this. Okay. So I'm closing the
Yes,
class
sir.
now. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Have a good
Thank you,
day.
sir.
Welcome.